Hello dear students and welcome to my YouTube channel The Career Train. In this video, I will be talking about an amazing opportunity of fully funded conferences and youth programs for 2024-25. These programs cover all your tuition costs and most programs do not require an IELTS score. In this video, I will walk you through every details, its benefits, requirements and how to apply. First of all, you go to the search engine Google Chrome or Firefox and there you type Future Help Portal. The detail of these programs are completely available on this website. So this is a fully funded opportunity. So here we discuss one by one the complete conferencing and youth programs offered for students. First program is World Policy Conference in South Africa. Location Cape Town. Conference date November 24 to 27 2024 and the application deadline is October 10 2024. The World Policy Conference is one of the leading global forums where policymakers, academics, and business leaders cover to discuss world affairs. This year, 50 fully funded seats and 100 free conference access passes, partially funded, are available. Offers a unique chance to participate in a high-level discussion that shape global policies. And through this link, you can apply in this program. Later, we also discuss that how we can apply in these programs. At second, CMP COP29 Youth Delegates in Baku. Host country Azerbaijan. Conference date November 11 to 22, 2024. Application deadline September 1, 2024. Details: the CMP COP29 Youth Programs invites you leaders to Baku to take part in climate action discussion. These fully funded programs allow you to contribute to critical environment dialogues while networking with peers who are passionate about sustainability. At number third, Istanbul Youth Summit. Host country Turkey. Location Istanbul. Event dates February 17 to 20, 2025. Application deadline September 30, 2024. The Istanbul Youth Summit is a premier event of young leaders to discover innovative solutions for global issues. With fully funded seats available, this summit provides a platform for networking and collaboration in one of the world's most vibrant cities. At number 4, Leadership and Diplomacy Summit in Thailand. Host country Thailand. Location Bangkok. Summit dates October 25 to 27, 2024. Application deadline August 28, 2024. Details: the Leadership and Diplomacy Summit in Bangkok combines leadership training with insights into the intersection of technology and diplomacy. These suffers offer fully funded, partially funded, and self-funded options, make it accessible to a wide range of participants. At number 5, Universal Youth Leaders Summit in Malaysia. Host country Malaysia. Location Kuala Lumpur. Summit dates October 15 to 17, 2024. Application deadline August 23, 2024. This summit in Kuala Lumpur focuses on empowering the next generation of leaders through fully funded and partially funded opportunities. With 100 seats available, participants will engage in workshops and discussions aimed at developing leadership skills for global impact. At number 6, Youth Interfaith Leadership Fellowship in the USA. Location Duke University. Program dates 1 week in 2024. Application deadline August 31, 2024. Organized by Faith for Our Planet FFOP. This fellowship gathers the next generation of climate leaders for a week of intensive leadership training and interfaith dialogues at Duke University. At number 7, Eisenhower Global Program in the USA. Program duration 6 weeks in 2024. Application deadline was August 23, 2024. It offers emerging leaders a 6-week immersion in leadership training, global networking, and professional development in the United States. At number 8, Mandela Washington Fellowship in the USA. Number of participants 700. Financial benefit fully funded by US Department of State. Deadline September 10, 2024. The Mandela Washington Fellowship is the flagship program for the Young African Leaders Initiative. This fully funded fellowship allows 700 young African leaders to develop their leadership skills through academic coursework, leadership training, and networking. At number 9, OSCHR Indigenous Fellowship in Switzerland. 4 weeks program duration. Application deadline is August 31, 2024. This fellowship focuses on empowering indigenous leaderships. Participants will gain knowledge about human rights and advocacy, making it a vital experience for those committed to social justice. And at last, AYFN Autumn Youth Entrepreneurship Workshop in Amsterdam. Event dates November 24 to 29. The detail of the scholarship is fully funded. in Amsterdam in design for young entrepreneurs who are eager to develop their business ideas. Participants will receive mentorship, engage in collaborative projects, and connect with like-minded peers from around the world. So these are the fully funded conferences and youth programs for 2024-25. Now we will see that how we can apply in these programs. The link of every program is mentioned with the details. Suppose we have to select one of them in order to know how we can apply in these programs. So I select the Universal Youth Leadership Summit in Malaysia. The link of the website is mentioned here. You have to click on this to reach the official page of this program. Here I reach the Universal Youth Leadership Summit Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia official page. Here is the seats availability. Total 100 seats, 10 fully funded, 15 partially funded, and 75 self-funded seats are available. And right here you will see the apply now button. Just click on it and the application form appears in front of you. Fill this application form, your name, your address, city, province, postal code, country, and then your phone, email, date of birth, gender. Do you require visa to enter Malaysia? You have to check yes or no. Have you participated in our global national events? Yes or no. Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram link. If yes, mention the country. And at the third, any meal restriction, if any, then explain. Any disability, if any, explain. A brief bio on your intersex characteristics or recent achievements, maximum 200 words. What motivates you to participate in UILS Malaysia 2024? Maximum 200 words of motivation letter you have to write here. In what ways could you involvement in UILS? Next, your national ID or passport profile picture. How did you hear about this program? Your shirt size. Next, the application fee of this program is $25, and at the end your consent for the details you have to put above. Next, here your signature, and then you have to pay your application fee and click on the submit button, and your application is submitted. So this is how we can apply in these programs. Hope you will understand. So this is all about today's opportunity. If you face any query or any difficulty during applying, do let me know in comment section, and make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel for more scholarship updates. Thank you.